Hi, I'm Rob at Friendly PC. Let's talk about why and when you as a business should consider outsourcing your IT. Reason number one, cost. Managed plans are much cheaper than having your own team. Also, the long-term cost of constantly updating your own software yourself can get expensive. So with just those two reasons alone, the cost is the largest benefit. Why you may need a managed IT services. Reason number two, trust. Your business computer system is core to your business and how you can get work done. So when it comes to trusting others, it can be quite a leap of faith. And we understand that, which is why we make it easy. Friendly PC has a team of professional and dedicated technicians that know you by name. Reason number three, productivity. When systems go down or you need a special access, Friendly PC is there for you. Wherever you are, we have your back with on-site and remote support services. Reason number four, viruses, malware, and scams. Always have a second opinion and tools for malicious emails and a team you can fall back to if your systems are attacked. Security of your business is taken care of at Friendly PC. Reason number five, more time to focus on your business, not computer issues. With managed IT like Friendly PC, we take care of your computer issues, backup, and recover your systems and keep you up and running. For business support plans, call me, 402-965-3300.